No, you gotta sit down. Sit with Gavin. Sit with Gavin. Caleb, come on. Look at him. Go sit with him. He wants to play.
Here, Mommy.
Thank you. Now go play with him. Play with him, Caleb. Look at that. Look at him. Look at him go.
Look at me.
Yeah. Now go play with him. Tickle him. You should tickle him. Say tickle, tickle, tickle. Careful. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Be nice to his head. Don't tickle his head. Tickle his tummy. Make sure he doesn't fall. Thank you. Tickle him. Tickle his belly. Yeah. Hi, Gavin. Go tickle him. He wants to play with you. Hey, don't do that. Just tickle.